Solve absolute value of m plus 5 less than 3, then graph the solution set. So the first thing we want to do is we want to rewrite absolute value m plus 5 less than 3 for the cases where it's non-negative and negative. So the first one we have is m plus 5 is non-negative. That means that it's a positive number. So just regular old m plus 5 less than 3. Subtract 5 from both sides, and that tells us that m has to be less than negative 2. So that's case number 1. Case number 2 is that it is negative. So the quantity of m plus 5 is negative. That means that negative m minus 5 is less than 3. So we add 3 to both sides, which means that negative m is less than 8. Divide by negative 1, and remember we have to reverse the inequality symbol anytime we multiply or divide by a negative number. So it becomes m greater than negative 8. So m less than negative 2 and m greater than negative 8 becomes m such that negative 8 is less than m is less than negative 2. There's no or equal to symbol in our inequality, so we use the open dot and we color everything that's in between. An alternate method is to write it as a compound inequality from the get-go. So start with negative 3 less than m plus 5 less than 3. Then we solve one side of it, then we solve the other side of it, and we end up with the same answer, m less than negative 2, m greater than negative 8. Compare and contrast those methods in your notes and have that ready to go for later.